Alright students, this is question 2 of paper 2 of JEE Advanced 2021. So this question says that a source is approaching um, with speed u towards open end of a stationary pipe. So let's say that there is a stationary pipe with an open end, okay, and there is a source which is emitting some sound of frequency fs and it is traveling with the speed u. Okay, the farther end of the pipe is closed, so it is a closed pipe. The speed of sound in air is V and F naught is the fundamental frequency of the pipe. So this is the fundamental frequency. For which of the following combinations of U and F will the sound reaching the pipe lead to a resonance? So first of all, we need to understand what is going on here. Because of the motion of the source, the frequency detected at the open end of this pipe will not be equal to Fs. It will be slightly different from Fs. And to be exact, it will be more than the value of Fs. And we call such frequency as apparent frequency. And to calculate it, we use the Doppler formula. So I'm going to use that. So I'm going to say Fs into the speed of wave. So that is given to be V. So V upon V minus U. So this is the frequency that will be detected at the open end of the pipe. Now, if this frequency becomes equals to any odd number into F naught, because it's a closed organ pipe. So for a closed organ pipe, only the odd harmonics exist. So if this frequency becomes equals to odd number into F naught, then we will say that the condition of resonance is there. So you can say that this odd number can be replaced by 2n minus 1 and n must belong to an integer. So this condition must be satisfied. So keeping this in mind, we are going to check all the four options. So option A, B and C, all these options talk about the same value of U, which is 0.8 V. Now the left hand side becomes, for these values, it becomes Fs into V upon V minus 0.8 V. So that's 0.2 V. So it becomes 5 Fs. Okay, the left hand side becomes 5 Fs. Okay, now for option A, the left hand side will become 5 Fs, and if Fs is equals to F naught, then the right hand side will become 2n minus 1 into F naught, okay, into Fs. Okay, so it is possible, like if I keep n as 3, then we get 5 Fs. Left hand side also we have 5 Fs. So option A can be satisfied. So option A is the correct one. Then for option B, if we check for option B, the left hand side is still 5 Fs, and on the right hand side we will have 2n minus 1 into F naught, where F naught will become equal to Fs by 2. Now this implies that Fs will get cancelled and we are going to get 10 is equals to 2n minus 1. Now this is not correct. 2n minus 1 represents an odd number and 10 is an even number. So this is not correct. So B option is wrong. A was correct, B was wrong. Let's go with C now. So if we check option C, again U is equals to 0.8 V. So left hand side still remains the same and we are going to get 2n minus 1 into F naught we have to write here, and F naught will be equal to F naught will be equal to Fs divided by 0.5, so that would be 2 Fs. So again Fs gets cancelled, and this time what we are getting, odd number into even number will become an even number, and even number cannot be equal to 5. So again this becomes wrong. So C is wrong. Now we are going to check for option D. Now, when we are checking for option D, U is given to be 0.5 V. So we have to calculate the LHS again. Now, if U is equals to 0.5 V, so then in the denominator we will have 0.5 V. Then V divided by 0.5 V will become 2. So it becomes 2 Fs is equal to, on the right hand side, we will have 2n minus 1 into um, Fs, which is like 3 by 2 into F naught. I'm sorry, we have to write F naught here, so that would become Fs divided by 1.5, which is 3 by 2. Okay, so this 2 and this 2 gets cancelled, Fs gets cancelled, so 2n minus 1 becomes equals to 3, which is an odd number. So option D is satisfied. Okay, so when we check all the four options, we get A and D to be the true ones, the correct ones, and B and C to be the wrong ones. Okay, So straightforward question, simple formula of Doppler effect, and you have to remember the fundamental frequency and the existing harmonic for a closed organ pipe. With this knowledge, you should be able to tackle this question easily. Alright guys, this much for this question. Good luck, and I will come with the solution of the next question in my next video. Take care.